They wanna trying to dig a secret bunker inside of my garage with my hand. I'm gonna dig based on how many subscribers I have. Today I have 93 subscribers. Let's dig. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, found something, a plastic wrapper. 4, 5. That's 93 digs. The length of this is one small hammer, and the height is one old toy. Bye. See you tomorrow.